Michelle Eggers. I'm the design manager at Sesame Communications. This year we're really excited to have launched our Sesame Mobile product. Our goal with this product is to give you everything that your patients need for new patient acquisition, nothing else, cut out everything that's standing in the way between them loving you and picking up the phone and calling you.
Hi, I'm Suzanne Wilson. I work for Open Orthodontics. This year we are very excited to introduce the latest addition to the AVEX suite, which is our AVEX CX ceramic bracket. One of the unique features of the AVEX suite are the universal in and out dimensions. What that means is that our stainless steel brackets, our AVEX CXI, which is a ceramic bracket with a slot liner, and our newest CX bracket all work interchangeably with each other. You can see the brackets here on our model. This year we're also debuting the Velo Ortho Curing Light. The unique thing about this curing light is it has a quadrant mode for curing 5 teeth at one time with the press of a button. You can see how sleek and slender it is. It doesn't get hot to the touch. And of course this footprint, when it cures, you can see that it goes right over the top of a bracket, so it makes curing quick and efficient, and you don't have to go side to side. You actually get the most effective curing going directly over the top of the bracket.
I'm Damien O'Brien from Myofunctional Research. If you're an orthodontist, then probably the most important appliance in our whole range is the Tepha C2. This is the trainer for Class 2 correction, but it's actually a trainer used with brackets. So some orthodontists do early treatment, some don't, but every orthodontist is doing brackets. So this gives you the ability, with your brackets simultaneously, without interrupting the practice, without changing the way you're doing anything, you've got the ability to use this for an hour and sleeping with the brackets. You'll begin changing tongue position, tongue function, lip seal, swallowing action. You'll drop the soft tissue trauma for the case. Case tends to happen a bit faster. You get a synergy going between tooth movement and improved function, and it's a great benefit to your brackets.
Hello there, my name is Drew Tice. I'm the owner of Telepatient. Telepatient has 2 new product offerings in 2011. First of all, our hardware, which has always been digital for the last 25 years, is now USB flash drive. And we've offered productions that are done on a seasonal basis. We realize that parents, patients, referring practices need to hear about the seasons of the year. People need to be reminded to maximize their benefits in August, September, October, instead of waiting until after Thanksgiving to call your practice to schedule. Moms and dads need to be reminded that you want to see patients at spring break and right after school gets out in the early summer, rather than waiting until the last minute before school is about to start to begin orthodontic treatment.
I'm Gail Stoops, the Senior Manager of Professional Relations for Philips Consumer Lifestyle in North America. We have the greatest new product. It's called AirFloss. It is an interproximal cleaner designed for patients who have difficulty with floss or don't floss at all. The AirFloss uses microburst technology, which is compressed air with micro fluid droplets that can be either water or mouth rinse that fill the reservoir, which is very small. As you can see, the entire reservoir only holds 2 teaspoons of fluid. And once it's primed, it's like point, click, clean. So you point it into the interproximal area, click, which is like a mouse click, and it cleans in between your teeth. Let me show you that again.
Hi, I'm Eric with Ortho Classic, and we're introducing the OrthoVent. This is the only inventory system on the industry that lets you have all of your inventory up front, and none of it is charged to your account until you have it dispensed in the system. Okay, so this is our touchscreen system. Enter your PIN code that you get to choose. And then you swipe your credit card or account card that we may give you so you can set up an account. Once your card has been processed, you can choose. We have a choice in this machine, Mini Twin, self-ligating, and clear. I'll choose the self-ligating. I'll choose just one. Enter. And then that system is vended, and at that point is the only time that you're actually being charged for the product. And there it is. Happens in real time, automatically to your website. You can track all of your inventory. There's nothing else like this on the market.
Hi, Mike Gregory with Kilgore International. We specialize in dental models for patient education and student use. 2 models that we feature here at the show is one is a healthy 9-year-old with mixed dentition, so we can explain to the patient and the parent how a healthy eruption of the teeth is supposed to go in, and it makes it easy for case presentation. Another model we specialize in, a 9-year-old with different impactions. These are two of our most popular models for the orthodontic field, and if there's anything we can do, please let us know.
I'm Mark Hillebrandt, and I'm the product manager for the 3D business here at iCat. Well, we've got a really exciting new offering today. It's our low-dose quick scan. It's a low-dose, high-definition scan, and like I said, you can get this 3D image for approximately double the dose of a traditional 2D panoramic. The other technology we have is the iCollimator technology, which you can see right down here. And what this does is it allows the doctor to control the dose by only exposing the patient anatomy that's needed for the image. So the doctor can choose an 8 by 8 centimeter scan and only image both arches, or you can image the whole mandible or the whole maxilla at the same time, or even both arches in the TMJ.
Hi, I'm Dan Sargent. I'm president of Ortho Computer Systems, Ortho 2. We're very proud of a number of things this year. We've introduced Edge, which is the revolutionary cloud-based practice management, imaging, and communication system. And we've also introduced a number of other modules that are available, including Edge Animations, which is an all-new library of treatment and patient compliance and appliance specific educational videos that are in the highest of quality, as you can see here. This is a little demonstration video that we put together to show some of the things that we demonstrate with this technology.
Well, my name is Bryn Seibold-Cohn. I'm the Digital Technical Specialist for Ormco. So essentially, Insignia braces are custom designed orthodontics, and it gives the unique opportunity to an orthodontist to design their final case, including aesthetics of the case and occlusion before the product is ever manufactured. I'll show you a few things that you can do here. This is our Smile Arc function, and within the Smile Arc function, you can enhance the smile of the patient, right? You can flatten it. And this, of course, is based on the facial aesthetics of the patient. So if, for instance, we look at the records of this patient, here she is smiling, we have beautiful soft tissue. And if the setup comes to you like this, and instead you'd prefer something to match the lower lip line of the patient, what I've just done with Smile Arc enhances that smile of the patient. Right? So you can fully customize this. I'll give you an example. Not only of the Smile Arc, but really of every individual tooth. So if I double click this tooth here, right, you get 6 axes of movement, where I can just grab one and torque that tooth. This occlusogram that you see here, think of this like a calibration paper, right, or articulation paper. We're showing you where the upper and lower teeth come into contact, and if, for instance, we're missing a contact here on this particular tooth, you can go to our clipping tool, you can zoom over to that tooth and traveling through the arch, and I can see that my teeth are out of occlusion, and I'm going to simply double click that tooth and drop it into occlusion. When you're finished and you approve of the case, we manufacture a bracket with the proper prescription to put this tooth in this finished position, a bracket for this tooth to put this tooth in this particular position, and then wires to complement upper to lower. In the last year, Insignia SL has been launched, SL standing for self-ligating. And so essentially, if I zoom in on these brackets, you can see they're a self-ligating bracket, right, where the door opens and closes. And we fully customize the base of this bracket for this particular patient. So if you can imagine a long stalk on the base of this bracket, it's then sliced, it's milled by a machine for torque, for in-out, and for rotation to complement that particular prescription to move that tooth from where it started to where you prescribe it should finish.